2025 is here. Money decides your future. But do you know the basics that build wealth and freedom?
First, budgeting. Without a plan, your money vanishes into thin air. Second, savings. An emergency fund is your shield against life's unexpected punches. Third, debt. If you ignore it, you sink. Control it, and you rise. Fourth, investing. Don't just work for money. Make your money work for you. Fifth, compound interest. The rich don't rely on luck. They rely on time.
Sixth, financial literacy. Without knowledge, money slips through your hands.
Seventh, inflation. If your money isn't growing, it's secretly shrinking. Eighth, multiple incomes. One paycheck is risky. Build streams that flow together.
Ninth, Nazis, discipline. Wealth is built daily by habits, not lottery tickets.
These 9 basics are your financial survival kit in 2025. Master them, and money becomes your weapon, not your weakness.
Don't just survive, thrive. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future.